My name is Aaron Paul, and this is the content analyzer I've created. So here we have two URL inputs to paste YouTube video URLs. We'll be pasting two URLs and comparing them. So this will try to fetch the transcripts from them and display it. So here we have the details fetched, like the YouTube channel details and the video details, the transcripts both. And if we select any point of time in the transcript, it will
Quite the understatement. The first time Apple announced a new Siri.
same way here we have these two. Here we have side panel. We can start a new chat or like go to old chats in a dark and light mode switch. We can close the side panel also. So this is a previous session I just did for testing, and here we have a 2 and 3 panel view to see the chat. So this is my chat and this is the response from the AI. So here this is a scroll bar inspired from Grok, and here let's say I ask what is the longest video. So it says video B, that is this is the longest video and it's 9 minutes more. Video A, duration of 14 minutes, and oldest video, this is the oldest video, but both were uploaded on the same day. So, and if I ask what is talking about, creator is talking about, so all these points, stuff like that, the transcripts, chunks and citations to verify it. If I ask in this what is the hook, what is the hook of the videos, and who has more engagement. So we go to an interface like this and wait for the AI response. So comparing the engagement, video B has more engagement, but video has more views. So in terms of engagement, video B has a higher rate. So hook factor is that one is the engagement. Video B has a stronger hook factor due to its initial surprise and the audience curiosity about the content, like video B, and has a better engagement rate compared to video A. So questions like these, we can ask more questions, stuff like that. Regarding the tech stack, I've used Next.js for the front end. For backend, I've used Python, and database I've used ConvexDB database, and for the store I've used Pinecone for the VectorDB. I've hosted the backend on Render, and for the transcript fetching, I faced issues because Render's IP was being blocked by YouTube transcript API. So I've used Cloudflare for that, and to a Cloudflare worker, I learned this for this project. So a Cloudflare worker was set up to fetch the transcripts and send it to the backend. And regarding the functionality, basically I've used LangGraph, and these are some of the nodes that we use. So basically when a request comes to chat with the transcripts, it decides if it's just a request for metadata only or if it's only for transcript or both. Based on that, it routes to the appropriate flow, and then the prompt that is sent to an enhancer prompt, which tries to enhance the user's prompt, and after that it fetches the metadata and transcripts. Based on that, it creates a draft answer, and using that draft answer we try to verify if the request is met or the question is properly assigned. If that's matches the threshold, then we can pass it, or if it's more than 3 attempts made, we will send it to the formatter. If it's not, it will be sent back to the draft generator with improvements again. So it does that cycle again, and after it's verified, we get a formatted response that is sent to the final output, and there's a logger in between that basically logs the session, so we can see the whole chat history and everything right here. So this is the app I've created, and I've deployed it on GitHub here, and with a readme describing what all the decisions I took mainly about it. Thank you.